guys, welcome to Craft and Canvas. So you just saw the magical spinning puzzle card, right? Pretty cool, huh? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make this super fun and unique card. And trust me when I tell you, it is way easier and simpler than it looks. So grab your supplies, settle in, and let's make this card together. Let's go! Materials you will need are cardboard paper, glue, scissors, compass, pencil, ruler, eraser, markers. Step 1. Let's make circles. Start by grabbing your cardboard paper. Using compass and ruler, measure out 6.5 cm radius and draw a neat circle. Now for the fun part, decorating. You can freestyle your own design, or if you like the one I am using, you can download the printable pattern from our website. The link is given in the description box below. Once you have drawn the design, go ahead and cut out the circle. Use your markers to color in and bring it to life. But wait, we are not stopping at one. You will need 3 identical circles, same size, same pattern and same magic. Step 2. Refining the circles. Grab the first circle. Using a compass or a skewer, carefully poke a hole right in the center. Flip it over and snip away any extra paper around the hole to keep it neat. Now take the second circle. This time draw and cut a smaller circle with 4.5 cm radius inside it. Again, make a hole at the center and trim the extras. Repeat the same process for the third circle, but this time with 2.5 cm radius. You should now have 3 layered circles ready to spin. Step 3. Making the spinning mechanism. From your leftover cardboard paper, draw a tiny circle just 1 cm in diameter. Using the first circle as the guide, draw a hole in the center of this mini circle. Next, draw 2 parallel lines on opposite side of the small circle. Carefully cut along the lines and around the circle. This will be your secret spinning mechanism. Now let's build this thing. Start by layering your big circle. It should look somewhat like this. Next, the medium one. And finally the smallest, right onto the mechanism. Make sure they all line up perfectly. Apply glue to the parallel lines only. Don't overdo it, and stick a heart-shaped cutout on top of that. This acts as a stopper for the spinning motion. I am using a ruler and a skewer to make sure the heart doesn't accidentally glue itself to the big circle underneath. Once that's dry, give it a spin. Does it move? Amazing! Final touch, assembling the card. Now it's time to bring everything together. Stick the spinning circles onto your card base and decorate it with cute little cutouts like spin me and arrow to guide your friends how to use it. And just like that, you have created your own spinning puzzle card. It's fun, it's interactive, and it's sure to wow anyone you give it to. Oh, before I go, did I miss showing you any materials at the beginning of the video? If you noticed something I forgot, call me out in the comments below. I might just shout you out in the next video. Until next time, have fun crafting and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more creative fun every week. Hi guys,